Hello everyone, welcome to Data Chronicles. Today I'm going to solve this question, repeated category purchase. This question was asked in Best Buy interview. So let's get started. You are analyzing users' purchases for a retail business. Each product belongs to a category. Your task is to identify which purchases represent the first time the user has bought a product from its own category and which purchases represent repeat purchases within the product category. The ID in the purchases table represents the purchase order. Rows with a lower ID are earlier purchases. Your code should output a table that includes every purchase the user has made. Additionally, the table should include a Boolean column with a value of 1 if the user has previously purchased a product from its category, and 0 if it is their first time buying a product from that category. And we also need to sort the result in ascending order. So the question is a bit tricky. It's a simple question, but the wording makes it sound a bit difficult. So what happens is, for example, there is a category called groceries, and there are three products in that category: potato, tomato, and onion. So if potato is having ID 1, tomato 2, and onion 3, that means the product with the lower ID is the earliest purchase. So potato would be the first product in grocery category that was purchased first. So we have to make a case statement and use a window function to solve this question. So let's get started. So select star, and I'm going to use the function row number. You can check more about it in the link which I shared in my previous videos. Row number over partition by so the product category. So we'll be using this column, product category, and as it is mentioned, the product having lower ID will be considered as the earlier purchase. So we'll order by ID as rank from this is purchases. Okay. So what we can do is we can just check the solution for this particular code. It's not a final solution yet. So, okay. So as you can see, within the product category 1, and I'm using this window function, this is our column. So toy car was purchased first, and then it was purchased again. And toy plane, which is having the ID 8, that means it was purchased later than toy car. So as you can see, within 2 also you'll see the same set of like results. So now what we can do is we can create it as a temporary table using with clause, and select product name. And this should be, the second column is a Boolean flag. So I'll just use a case statement, case when rank is equal to 1, which means it is purchased for the first time. So then if it should include a Boolean column with a value of 1 if the user has previously purchased a product from its category. Okay, so if the rank is 1, then 0, else 1, and as category previously purchased from CTE, and we need to order by yeah, the time purchased. So the time purchased would be same as the order ID. Sorry, this ID, the product ID associated with the product. Okay, so this should work. Let's submit the code. Okay, some test cases have failed. Okay, just. Oh, yeah, okay. So the spelling of this particular column was incorrect. Okay, so now this works. And let's submit the solution. Okay, so it works. So the question was pretty easy. It was just the wording that made it sound a bit difficult. Do let me know in case you need more clarification. And if you like this kind of video, do consider subscribing. That's it for now. Thank you.